In this video, I'm going to explain volume. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the volume of the object? So we could see this object here. The first thing to do is to understand what volume means. Volume is the amount of space something takes up. So this shape takes up this amount of space. So how do you calculate that in terms of units? And you could see here it's cut up into little cubes, right? So volume equals the height times the length times the width, measured in cubic units. So on the front face, we have 4 rows and 3 columns. You could see on the front face, we have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So there is a total of 2 sets of these shapes, right? We have this set, and then we have the set directly behind it that is stuck together. So the volume is the rows times the columns times the number of sets, which equals the height times the length times the width. So the height is 4. It's 4 blocks high. The length is 3. It has a length of 3 blocks, and there's 2 sets. It goes like that, the width. 2 sets of blocks here. So when you multiply all those together, you get 24 cubic units. And that's the volume of the object. So don't worry if you don't get this right away. Just rewatch the video and you'll understand it the more you watch it and look at the object and understand how it takes up space. So you could also check out the description. I have links in there to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could also download the ebook and follow along this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening.